Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Market Musings number 2. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so yeah. Anyway, I felt like doing one today, and yeah, let's get into the first slide. So first slide, this is what the market looked like as of market close on December 4th, 2021. You can see that a lot of stocks in general, like the market in general, has been going down, not just on December 4th, but it seems like for the past few days at least. Can't remember exactly when, but just lately everything, well, not everything, but a lot of the popular stocks have been tanking. So here you can see that some of the stocks that I chose, like Adobe, down 8%, Etsy down 7%, Mercado Libre down 6%. Just a lot of stuff is down in general. So what's the reason for this? Well, from what I can tell, these are a couple of screenshots that I took with my phone. One of the articles says Wall Street ends lower on Omicron worries and Fed taper, I guess, Angus. And also S&P 500 ends week lower after colossal miss in jobs report. So from what I can tell, seems like a lot of people are just worried about the new coronavirus variant and also this miss in the jobs report. And yeah, I don't have links for these articles below. I was kind of in a rush to make this video, but I mean, titles are right here, main sites are right here, investing.com, Reuters, date it was published, and also authors are right here. So I'm sure all you guys can use Google, so you should be able to find this on your own with this info here. So yeah, I just browsed through the articles. I didn't really look into it that much in depth when I'm looking at this news. I usually just look at the title and just browse through it. So yeah. Anyway, when stuff like this happens, let me go back. When people see a lot of red in their portfolio and like the market is down in general, I tend to see like a lot of the newer investors. It seems like they have thoughts kind of like this. They're like, "Oh my God, my portfolio is bleeding. Today was a bloodbath. My stocks are down. I didn't do my due diligence properly. What should I do? Should I buy the dip? Should I wait and then buy the dip then, and then, or maybe I should hold or should I sell?" And they go crazy. They just whip themselves into a frenzy whenever they see stuff like this and stuff like this. It's just they lose it basically. So this is what I tend to see from a lot of the newer investors. But for me, what are my thoughts on this? For me, this is just a typical red day in the market. Nothing special happens all the time. It's just typical market risk, and it's, well, for me, in my opinion, it's just not important. As long as you're in it for the long run. If you're in it for the short term, then I guess that could be a pretty big deal. But I'm guessing if you're watching this channel, you guys are in it for the next 3, 5, 10 years plus, saving for retirement. Just hold on to good companies as long as you can. Sell it when you actually need the money to buy something. So yeah, but I mean, it's just not important. If anything, it's a good time to dollar cost average into some stocks and buy the dip. If you guys are interested in how I would buy the dip, I have a video of that in my playlist. You can just check out the buy the dip playlist and see that for yourselves there. And the thing with buying the dip is like you don't know where the true bottom is. It's like a lot of people, they seems like they say the phrase, it's like trying to catch a falling knife. So since we don't know where the true bottom is, like maybe right now it is the bottom, maybe a week from now it's still gonna tank more. We just never know. So just dollar cost average your way into a position. And the thing is, you got to be careful because not all companies are falling because of only this news. When I say this news, I mean this news right here. Some of the companies, they are falling because of significantly bad news that is specific to the company. So for me, if I was gonna buy the dip, and I would try to dollar cost into companies that have no significant bad news specific to the company. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this situation. And yeah. Anyway, I also wanted to end with a quote from someone I learned a lot of information about the stock market from, David Gardner. One of his famous quotes is, "Stocks always go down faster than they go up, but they always go up more than they go down. Now, I think this is a great quote, but for me personally, I like to change it a little bit. So this is my version of it, my personal thoughts. For me, I like to say winners tend to go down faster than they go up, but they also tend to go up more than they go down. And the reason why I changed it is because like I don't agree with people saying always nothing is always 100% true in the stock market. So it's like usually in general, the winners tend to go down faster than they go up, but they tend to go uh, up more than they go down. So it's like in general, there's always exceptions to the rule. I mean, I'm sure that you guys would be able to find an example where stocks just go down and then they just go bankrupt and it's just gone forever. So yeah, in general. But yeah, anyway, that's David Gardner's quote. That's my personal quote. And next is this slide. So if you guys are interested in more videos, I have some more videos here on the playlist. There's the Market Musings playlist right here. That's where I talk about my thoughts on the market. This is only number 2 in the series, so not too much in there right now. And also, I have how to buy the dip right here. There's a couple of videos on how to buy the dip if you're interested in that. There's a year questions answered about stocks playlist right here. There's one thing I wish I knew when I got started investing playlist right here. And there's also 2 follow along videos if you have like a bunch of money and you want to get started in the stock market. There's a whole shares a whole shares follow along edition if you're interested in that, or if you have slightly less cash and you also have access to a fractional shares account. I recommend you guys checking out this series right here, getting started in the stock market fractional shares edition. And there's also some workout videos and some Japanese videos here. As you guys may know, this channel is not 100% stocks. It's mostly stock related, but not every single video I put out is going to be stock related. Sometimes I'll put up a workout video or maybe a gaming video or maybe a Japanese video. So yeah. And also link below, there's a link below to the Discord and also the Google Sheets. The Google Sheets contains stocks that I am investing in for my follow along portfolios and also for other portfolios I created in the past. And if you're also interested in joining the Discord, on the Discord, that's where I post updates to what I will be doing in the future with these follow along portfolios. So feel free to click that down below if you're interested. And yeah, anyway, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.